Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a Sunday shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is time for a shave. And today's shave soap is brought to you by 11, and this is Lay Intense. I know a lot of people don't see the Lay on there. Now, the scent on this, it's kind of a darker, a very rich smell, and it's a cologne. I don't think I've ever smelled this particular cologne before, but I will put a picture right here of the scent profile, and it's kind of very hard to describe, I will say that. And I'm not sure if this particular scent is going to warm up to me. It's nice, but I don't know. We'll see how it performs throughout the day. I have that whipped up already in my Captain's Choice copper bowl and my Semouge boar brush, and I didn't have any problem lathering it up. Soap was nice. I do have 2 days worth of growth, and I'm looking forward to a nice shave today. Oh yeah. All right. And the razor for today is going to be the Above the Tie razor, and this is all stainless steel. It's nothing fancy. It's just a nice plain old stainless steel handle, and this is the SB90. I do have the Gillette silver blue blade already loaded up in it, and we're going to see how this baby shaves today. All right, here we go. Pass number 1 with the green. It's actually very nice and smooth, but yet no problem mowing down the whiskers. Oh yeah. The soap feels like it's got plenty of residual slickness. This is the first time I'm using this soap, and this is one of these soaps that I got in the I don't know if you want to call it mystery box or the surprise box. It was the one where they were doing on the BBS Live to where if you donated $69, you would get a surprise box with some goodies in it. Oh yeah, this razor is doing well. Yesterday I was in the sun a little bit. I was enjoying the nice weather. It cooled down a little bit, and if you can see, this is one of my work shirts that I haven't been wearing in a long time, but yeah, I got a little bit of sun back there. I'll pay for that a little bit later. All right, so let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. And I haven't used this Semouge brush in a while, and it is one of my favorite brushes, but when you compare it to the Trotter's brush, you can see that you know, it's not as dense, so there's not as many boar hairs in there. See, can you see the lather? But yeah, so it's not as dense, and I'm actually getting more and more used to the Trotter's brush because it does have a little bit different feeling to it, and it's kind of making this brush seem like it's lacking a little bit even though it does have a nice knot in there. And it's not that expensive of a knot. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get going on pass number 2, across the grain. So how was your weekend? Did you guys have a nice weekend? Anything exciting happen? Or any new shave gear come in? I'm still on my buying freeze. And I've been going through some of my soaps. Just trying to narrow it down to my favorites. No need to have hundreds and hundreds of soaps. I enjoy the feedback on this razor. The knurling on the handle, it's not real pronounced. It's enough to hold on to. But I would like it to be a little bit more aggressive than that. Just my personal opinion, or personal preference, I guess you could say. But if we thought back to last week, this razor, for the price of it, an exceptional shave, very close, 2 passes, perfect. You know, I don't feel like I'm going to get any irritation, and there's really no hair left. You know, there may be a couple, like maybe right in here. But as far as shave, wow, compared to the Timeless, that's a nice razor. All right, so I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. All right, and I'm going to be using the matching aftershave splash. And what I was going to tell you was, this past weekend, it's been, you know, pretty nice, a little overcast. And so with that, the weather kind of was a little bit cooler, and just being outside and the sun not beating down on you, you tend to not notice the sun. And so I don't know if you guys had follow me there on Instagram, but my Adobe had turned 1 on Friday. I'm going to follow that up with a little Star Jelly. And this particular splash has a little bit different scent to it. And I like that. I like that more. You know how sometimes the soap actually has a different soap smell to it? Well, yeah. Let me just take a... Yeah, that definitely has a little bit different scent to it. And I think it has to do with the soap. So the splash... Oh yeah, that's a nice shave. Well, that is the shave for the day. I'll put a picture right here of everything that I used, and I will say thank you for everyone that has stuck through watching the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that now to stay updated with any new videos that come out. So I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.